So while I was recording, I scanned this QR code and the video stopped. So let's make this will be the second video. Skip for now. Turn on Wi-Fi. Skip for now. Okay, so now it's restarting because it took up the SIM card and getting the configuration. Certain changes. Pretty much this is how the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, S23 Ultra look like, and once you insert the SIM, that's what gonna be supposed to be happen. Now since the phone is firing up, let me see. I will do the initial setup for this phone, and I wanted to do it in one video. Feel free, if you feel that I'm talking so fast, you can reduce the speed on the setting buttons in the YouTube, or you can increase it if I'm too slow for you. Okay, so phone is setting up, getting your phone ready. Okay, so let's wait a while, and you see here a tiny little icon. This is for the S Pen, and this is the S Pen here. Okay, couldn't connect to S Pen. Let's see, just a few more moments and we'll see. Getting started, and this is pretty much okay. So now the next stage will be I will be bringing my data from my old device, Samsung device, to this new one, and I'll see that what happens to that. Pretty much this is what we have for it. Okay, so one advice: if you're buying new phone, I would recommend you buy some casing for it and also screen protection, because screen protection may not cost you much, but if the phone fall down and you couldn't get it back, then it's not a good idea. I ordered this screen protector. I'm not sure that's much good or not, but it's kind of like not that expensive, like around $10. And I ordered also one tempered glass. I believe this is privacy glass, if I'm not wrong. Is it a privacy glass? I don't think so. It's just like a screen protector. So I got with a pack of 2 and this stuff, and I'm not sure what is it. Okay, they give me extra a protection for camera. Cool. So this is pretty much now, and I'll be setting up my device and I'll let you know after the use. Meanwhile, if you want me to give you any other further comment how the mobile is working after a couple of days or hours, and how the setup, and if you need to know about the setup and other stuff, just comment in a video and I will upload it for you. And for Galaxy S23 Ultra, which I unboxed before around 11 months, I will put the comment here in the video and you can watch this one as well. As of now, this is the end of the video. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day and bye.